Okay, this video we're going to learn how to order decimals. And right now you're probably thinking, what the heck are you talking about, Saunders? So it's ordering decimals. And remember, a decimal represents part of a whole. So if you have, say, 3 pizzas and then one more slice, if you work out the fraction, say you have 3 and 5/6 of a pizza left, that's going to work out. I would have to do the math properly in my head, and it would be 3.8, I think 7 would be the number. So this decimal 87 is because 5 divided by 6 would be decimal 87. So that's the part of the whole. And the important thing to remember about that is it's between 3 and 4. 3.87 would go like right here on the number line, right about here, right? And what we're going to do today is we're going to try and learn how to order decimals if you see them. So if you see a number like 3.4 and 3.2 and 3.7, how do you put those in the right order? So which is closest to 3 and which is closest to 4? It'd be very, very simple. These 3's are all the same. This is the how you do this. The 3 is all the same. Look at the decimal, look at the number after the decimal. So this is the 10th column, the 10th place. And you look at those numbers and it's very simple. The number that is lowest goes first. So to put this in order, it'd be 3.2. You've already done that one. Then you look at these two. So it's the decimal here, which is a lower number. 4 is a lower number. So 3.4 would be next. And here, 3.7. And that's how you order decimals, put them in order. Let's come up with some new examples here. And let's say 3.647. Let's say 3.653 and 3.621. So if we're going to order those, you look at the 3 here. I'll put a little colored rectangle around it. The 3's are all the same, so you go over here. The 10th place, the 6 is all the same. Whoops. Let's draw it a little bit more narrow here. So the 6 is all the same in that column, in the 10th column, so it's a tie. So then you go here. It's like a tiebreaker, like in hockey, it's a tiebreaker. So now you're only looking here. This is the 100ths column. And in the 100ths column, which is the lowest number? And that number would go first, 3.621, because this 2 is lowest. So you cross that one out, you put it over here. Now the competition is right here. Which number is lower? The 4 is lower. So you know that one is next, 3.647. This 7 doesn't matter because it's in the thousandths column. So now this one goes last. And that's all you do for ordering decimals. It's all about, look here, if these are greater or less than, then that one goes first. These are tied, then you go to the next one. And it's just a whole bunch of tiebreakers, right? These ones here are the ones that determine it. These ones here don't matter when you're doing this. So go ahead and look at the next questions. There's green questions next, yellow questions, and red, and try and see if you can figure it out. Great job.